There's the fire alarm went off, and we're with
Really?
Julia. See, look at her. That was wrong. Wrong camera. Bless the little shit.
Why are you filming at me?
Oh yeah, this is what happens when the alarm goes off.
Oh, you filming
Jasmine, I love you. I think it's a real fire because it's shooter time.
The alarm is off as well.
Obviously, it's
Yeah, but
flat.
Elliot, the car alarm. Elliot, we just got back from half term, so it might be like a
I don't think it'll be a practice when it's at shooter time.
Whoa.
Julia. Mystique! Follow Mystique, guys. Guys! Mystique's is over there. I'm recording this. I love you. If it's just a drill, meet me in the link, okay? I love you.
I think Harry.
Sexy.
Don't shoot in the road.